What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and you joined me this morning at a new car show in Houston called Post Oak Power up here at Tillman Fertitta's Hotel. And we have some of his cars up here, well one of them, his Bugatti Chiron. We're here checking out all the expensive, amazing supercars this morning. A Huayra BC just rolled in. I'm gonna put that clip in after this, but enjoy the awesome cars this morning. This is gonna be a great show. Let's go. All right, we're pulling up to the meet. I'm gonna put this after my intro, but we got a Huayra BC. And Anthony Shoots. Hey. And Tony. Everybody's here. Get some pictures of the hoopty with the Huayra.
Look it out.
Okay. Look at her. I didn't even know that was coming. We got a new F12 TDF. We got Lisa. How are you? As I was saying, we got the F12 TDF. This guy just bought this and he actually lives right by where I'm moving. So hopefully we'll get to see him out. Then we got the Bugatti Chiron owned by Tillman Fertitta himself. Checking it out. We've seen this guy before. Very, very nice. And that boy Gonzalo in the Huayra BC. Very nice. Over here, I don't know really what cars are fit to be over here, but we got a 812 Superfast, a GT2 RS. I haven't seen this one yet. It's red with black wheels. There's a red with gold wheels one lurking around Houston somewhere, but I haven't seen that yet either. And then the new Bentley Continental Supersport. I dig it. This is the first one of these we've seen in Houston, like third or fourth one we've seen out and about. Look at this thing. Oh my God.
I don't know about this, guys.
What do you think about that? It's definitely Houston. Purple with the bronze, slammed and swanging, baby.
Oh my God.
That's the Lambo truck. He's got a kissy tattoo on his neck. If you can pause the video and go rewind. That was funny. We got the Performante Spider in the purple rain. We got the GT2 RS. This guy all owns the same cars. It's all guys that own them by our house. The AMG GTR. And like a 599 with a weird body kit. It's got like the XX body kit or X body kit, whatever the race car version is. But I mean, I like it. That's bad to the bone. And then over here, we got a matte black Aventador. One of my favorite cars, next to a purple Huracan Spider F12 488. And then the Urus and Cullinan. Whew. Also, something cool I just noticed, if we take a closer look, it's got carbon fiber wheels. That is so cool. And not just the wheels, the entire roof is carbon fiber, the wings carbon fiber, the diffuser's carbon fiber. This is a carbon fiber monster. Now we're over here checking out the other supercar section. Let's dive in and see some of the special cars we got over here. One of my favorite cars in Houston, we got the Liberty Walk 458 in the anime wrap. This guy has quite the collection now, but I think this is my favorite one that he's got. Just so unique. Pretty sure it was a SEMA build, like Gumball. That was Gumball build, yeah, that's what it was. Still got dealer plates on it. Performante and 720S in my favorite McLaren color, Papaya Spark. Got Lisa's Dawn next to the Lizard Green .2 GT3 RS. Another Performante, and then like the whole white section. 360 Spider, Aventador S, 458, and Austin's 570 Spider. Now this Performante is special. If you can see the plate, that might be a hint of what's done to it. This is a underground racing Performante, and I guess he's getting it ready for Texas 2K. because that's only a couple months away, guys. Those videos are going to be absolutely insane. So if you aren't subscribed already and you want to see some crazy stuff in the future, subscribe for that. You see right there, Underground Racing 34. Got a Euro Power. I don't know what's done to this. It might be twin turbo. I'm not exactly sure. Viola Parsife Huracan next to another 570, 488, and a couple other things down there. Got a cool Gallardo and a 570S. This Huracan right here, I'm pretty sure is also over 1,000 horsepower. Don't quote me on that. But then we got this Rolls Royce right here with an interesting wrap on like the top part. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be, but I mean, it's kind of cool. I don't know for sure. What do you think that's supposed to be? And then we got that. And I'm just not going to say anything about that. Now this is a rare sight at a morning meet. We got Tony in the Aventador pulling up on this bright and early morning. I don't think he's gone to sleep yet. And then we got the GT3 with the Porsche bike on top of it. Now that is a man right there. Okay, 430 Scuderia. I saw through the windshield. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it. Alright, there you go. It's got some subs in the back of the front of the car. I got another Urus. Tony's car leaving, but Tony's not driving. This whole squad's about to leave, so get ready for the exits. Cars and Coffee. Yes, sir. Oh my God.
Joe. Where's that guy?
Oh, yikes. Oh my God!
Let's get it.
Come on, send it for us. Alright, a short interruption from the Sens. We got the Chiron moving and the TDF moving. TDF. Absolutely love this car.
You gotta go farther.
We're revving the Chiron. The GT2 RS, Cleveland, and the F12 TDF. Woo! All right, to the exit. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That has been Post Oak Power. I really hope you enjoyed. There was a really awesome show and some good sends at the end. Now we're gonna go get something to eat, so I'm gonna leave you here inside Tillman Fertitta's hotel. And yeah, if you did like the video, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.